Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike represents a significant advancement in personal transportation, combining power, convenience, and a green approach to commuting. With its robust 1000W motor, this bike delivers impressive acceleration, easily reaching speeds of 30+MPH, making it ideal for those who need to zip through urban environments or tackle hilly terrains. One of the standout features is the 48V 20AH removable battery, which not only provides a remarkable range of up to 80 miles on a single charge but also allows for easy removal and charging. This flexibility means you can charge the battery indoors, away from potential theft or damage. The battery life indicator is a thoughtful addition, ensuring you're never caught off guard with a dead battery. The folding design is another great aspect, making it easy to store in small spaces or transport in a vehicle. When folded, its compact size is perfect for apartment dwellers or those who want to take their bike on public transport. The overall build quality feels sturdy and durable, providing peace of mind as you navigate through various terrains. The bike's suspension system adds significant comfort, smoothing out bumps and dips in the road, which is especially beneficial for longer rides. The ergonomic design of the seat and handlebars further enhances the riding experience, allowing for hours of enjoyment without discomfort. However, potential buyers should be aware that the bike is on the heavier side, which might make it challenging for some to carry when folded. Additionally, while the assembly is relatively straightforward, it may require some tools and a little time to get everything set up perfectly. In summary, the 1000W folding electric bike is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking a powerful, versatile, and environmentally friendly mode of transportation. Its combination of speed, range, and portability makes it a top contender in the e-bike market. Whether for commuting or leisure, this bike promises an exhilarating ride that you won't soon forget.